Hello and welcome to our channel. TiRex has released a new model which is a time series forecasting model, and it can be used without training on your own data. For example, you have your own data, then you can just download the model and run the inference on your data and you will get the output. You don't have to train the model on your data before forecasting, so it is very good, and we can use it on our own data. TiRex is a time series foundation model designed for time series forecasting, and the key facts are zero shot forecasting. TiRex performs forecasting without any training on your data. Just download and forecast. In this video, I will show you how you can run it on your Colab. So this is the notebook which is shared by TiRex, and here it provides all the steps to run it on the Colab. So go to the Google Colab and create a new notebook. Runtime, and then change runtime. You need to use GPU, any GPU you can use. I am using T4 GPU, and then click on save. So this notebook is now ready. So now I am connecting by clicking on the connect button. Next, copy this code, paste here, and now run it. Run. So it is cloning the repositories. After this, we will be able to run the next step. So next step is to download the model. The next step is to import and load data. This is the code for imports and load data. Our first command is still running. The first step is completed. Next, we are going to import and then download the data. The final step is to run the forecast. Load model, then example, and this run it. Now the inference is done, and here is the output. So this is the forecast here. So this way you can use the model for forecasting on your own data without prior training. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.